Hello, it's Ruru from Home Cooking. Holiday season is a cookie season. So I'm gonna share with you the recipe of chocolate crinkle cookies. So the first step is to measure out our cocoa powder and our sugar. So I use my scale to measure my ingredients, but you can use also to measure in cups. So with these ingredients, you just want to sieve them together. It's really important. And I tell you why. When you have ingredients like cocoa powder, they always need to be sifted because they can contain moisture and can get lumpy. And you don't want that in your recipe. And now let's add in our wet ingredients. To do this, add in your eggs, flavorless oil like vegetable oil or canola oil, and some vanilla extract. So what I love about this recipe is that you can mix all by hand using a whisk. All you want to do is just mix together really well. Okay, lovely. This has come together. Now we're just gonna mix together the rest of our dry ingredients. So I'm gonna use my scale again to measure our flour and then gonna add in our baking powder and salt. And then just give this a quick mix in the bowl. Just wanna make sure that it's all really well combined. And then add gradually into your chocolate mix. And then with a spatula, just bring it all together. So my tip here is don't skim on the salt and don't skim on the vanilla extract. It really makes all the difference in the world of these cookies. So just keep mixing until you cannot see any more flour, and then that's it. Now I love to chill my cookie doughs. It's just really important to help them set and make them easier to scoop. So I'm gonna pop this into the fridge for around 2 hours or just let it nice and cold. So our dough is chilled. We got a bowl of powdered sugar here. That's really important. And then I line my baking tray with parchment paper. All you want to do is a little bit of a heap of scoop. Then just turn it out, roll it in your hand, and just dip into the powdered sugar. Make sure that you coat it really well in the powdered sugar. And then onto your baking tray, and then just continue the rest of your batter. This batter will actually make around 30 to 35 cookies. They're nice and big, they're good size. So with these cookies, you don't want to smash them down, you want to leave them nice balls like we have here. And then also give them a little bit of space in between so they don't bake into each other. Bake your cookies soft around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for roughly 10 to 12 minutes. And the secrets here is not to overbake. You want to make sure they're nice and fudgy in the middle, so don't do more than 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes and our cookies look amazing. You can see the lovely crinkle on top and the contrast of the white and brown. Once this cool down, they're going to set a little bit just like a brownie, and they're gonna perfectly pudgy on the inside.